Today we'll be creating a custom footer for our website. This is what our footer currently looks like, and we'll be swapping this out using Beaver Theme. Let's get started. In a previous video, we created a custom header for this website using Beaver Theme. Now we're going to create a custom footer. This is what the footer currently looks like. We are now going to use Beaver Theme to easily create a footer that we can insert site-wide or on specific pages only, or products, or even specific blog posts, or specific, for example, categories, or even product categories if this was an e-commerce store. To get started, let's go into our dashboard. Let's click Beaver Builder and Theme Layouts. There's our previous transparent header we created. Now we'll click Add New. I'm going to call this Footer. I'm being very creative today. This is not a header, this is a footer. There are other options, as you can see. I'll click on Footer and then Add Theme Layout. Okay, what we'll do here is select where under location, where we want to have this done. We can be very specific and insert it only on specific pages or specific archives or even categories or single posts, or we can have it site-wide. For our demo, I'm going to select entire site and I'm going to say Launch Beaver Builder to begin editing. And this is what Beaver Theme sticks in by default. It is a 3-column footer with a footer bar at the bottom here. I'm relatively happy with what's in there. I'm going to keep everything as is. The only thing I will be changing is the color. I'll change that purple out, and then I'm going to add a logo in here. Probably, let me see where I think I'm going to add it, under About Us. So let's get started. I'm going to change the color first, so I'll select on the edit icon. For that row, I'll scroll down, there's that purple. I'm going to be very unimaginative. Yeah, I think I'll make it something along the lines of a very dark gray. I'm happy with that. And then our footer bar, I'll do exactly the same thing, make it that dark gray. What I will do on the footer bar is just insert a border just to give it a little bit of contrast, shall we say. Color, I'm going to select a color here. I'm going to grab it and let's do that, and probably make the color very light. There we go, like that. Okay, that looks good. Okay, I'm happy with that. You can kind of see the contrast there. Okay, and then we're almost done. This is literally how simple it is to create a custom footer. So let's go look at what our footer currently looks like. Beaver Builder will remove this out and insert our custom footer once we save it. The only other thing, like I said, that I want to do is insert a logo there. So what I'll do is grab a photo module, I'll pull it in at the bottom, and then I'm going to select a photo. Now I'm going to use a logo that's appropriate. As you can see, it needs a bit of alignment there. So I'm going to say align left. And there it is. I think I'm going to reduce the distance there. Let's just go to advanced. Top margin, I'll make that 0. Yes, that looks better. And I'm going to save that. And that is literally it. There it's got some links and some contact info, a little bit of information about us. Now obviously could go and change this out and insert whatever I want in here. Once I'm happy, I click done, I click publish, and let's go look at what it looked like before. That was our footer before. I'll refresh, and that is our new custom footer using Beaver Theme. Now remember, let's say that you wanted a specific footer with specific information on a specific page. With Beaver Theme, you could do that. You could duplicate this particular design, or you could create something entirely new with whatever the information required for that specific page is. So let's say, for example, you wanted to show a contact form, where you can obviously put the contact form in here, but you wanted a contact form or some sort of lead generation capture info on this specific footer for a specific page only. You could do it like that, and then go and edit the theme layout, and then you could select, for example, add location rule, and you could go and select exactly where you wanted it. Alternatively, let's say that you wanted it site-wide and you didn't want it on a particular page. You could do exactly the same thing and add an exclusion rule and then choose exactly where you want it. So that is literally how easy it is using Beaver Thema to go from a bland footer to a custom footer with a lot of power, specifically targeted to your entire site or specific pages. Anyway, very simple, as you can see. Thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. I'm Athlon from webassist.xyz, where I make e-commerce websites. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. I'd love to hear them. Also, give me some examples of footers that you're building or custom footers that you're building for your websites. I'd love to see those. If you enjoyed this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Also give this video a like, and then don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified each time I upload new videos. Now remember, with Beaver Thema, it's super simple to create custom layouts, custom headers, and totally customize your site. Enjoy Beaver Thema. Take care. Bye for now.